Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to block someone on threads. Maybe you have encountered a user who is causing you trouble and now you want to prevent them from interacting with your account. So today I'm going to show you how to block someone on threads. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your threads application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to your home feed. Now, scroll to your feed or use the search function to find the profile of the person you want to block. For example, I will search the user. So tap on the search icon located at the bottom right side of the screen. In the search bar, type the username or name of the person that you want to block. Once you have found the user that you are looking for, simply tap on their profile to access their account. Once you are on their profile page, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will bring up a menu below with several options. Now, to block this user, simply tap on this block option. A confirmation menu will pop up asking if you are sure that you want to block this user. Simply tap on this block button to confirm. After that, you now have successfully blocked someone on threads. They will no longer be able to see your posts, send you messages, or interact with your account in any way. There you go. If you wanted to know how to block someone on threads, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to block someone on threads, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.